Pussu, mennä. Se on kivi. Joo, se ei tottele se kivi. Joo, se on aina taistelu kivien kanssa. Se on sama kivi aina. Siinä on eri puolilla. Se on vähän sama kuin itsellä olisi jaguari ja niitä pitää aina käydä katsoa, että kukaan ei ole tehnyt peileille mitään eikä mitään. Niin et pure sitä. Pussu. Et pure. It is not easy. It is very hard work. Et pure sitä. Once I have seen it was in a park. She had there also one stone. It was the same stone always. And then once we went to the park, and she was free, but she didn't go to the stone. Or she went to the stone, but she went so and she stopped a few meters before the stone, and she only looked at the stone, and then she backed.
Really?
Yeah, like from a king and